King of the road, trailer for sailoring.
Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Math with Silomantic, and I would like to take this opportunity to welcome everyone who's joining us today. And if you're new to the channel, please like, share, and subscribe. Today we're gonna be focusing on grade 11 question paper, June 2014. Without any further ado, let's get to it. The first question states that the diagram below shows the points A, which is this point, and B, this point, and then point M is the midpoint. This is point M. So if this is the midpoint, then it implies that the length from M to A is equals to the length of M to B. The length from B to M is equals to the length from M to A. That is the meaning of midpoint. The line MC is perpendicular to the line AB. So the line MC is perpendicular to the line AB, meaning that for these two lines to be perpendicular, the gradient of this line, when multiplied with the gradient of this line, their product must give you -1 for them to be perpendicular. Now let's go to the first question. The first question says, show that the gradient of AB is equals to -1. The gradient of AB, of which is this line, show that it is -1/2, not 1. I beg your pardon, -1/2. So it's allocated 1 mark, so we shouldn't be worried about it. It's just a single step, I think. So to show that the gradient of AB is equals to -1/2, I've scripted down some answers to save time, guys, because we have a lot of things to do. So this is the formula of a gradient. This is y of A minus y of B, x of A minus x of B, which will give you -1/2. Hence it's 1 mark. Now we move to question 1.2. Determine the coordinates of M. The coordinates of M is what? It's the midpoint of AB. Now there's a formula for midpoint of AB. These things are always provided along with your question paper during exams, so you don't have to know them or worry about how not to forget them. They are always there. So yeah, there's a formula for midpoint. It's midpoint is equals to the x of A plus the x of B over 2 and the y of A plus the y of B over 2. Then our point M, the x coordinate of our M point, it's 2, and the y coordinate of our M point, it's 1. So here at M we have 2 and 1 as coordinates. Now we move 1.3. Determine the equation of the line MC. This is the line MC. They want the equation of the line MC. Remember what I said, that for these two lines, for them to be perpendicular, the product of the value of the gradient of this line when multiplied by the value of the gradient of this line should give you -1. So in this case, you will say the line of CM multiplied by the line of AB equals to -1. Reason being perpendicular. It's given the line MC is perpendicular to AB. Then you calculate for CM. I think CM, the gradient of CM, it's gonna be 2 because we have -1/2. The gradient of MC is equals to 2. Now the standard formula of, remember the question said calculate the equation of the line MC, not the gradient only. So now that you have the gradient, you have to calculate the equation. So the standard equation, the standard formula of the straight line equation is y is equals to mx plus c, and then we want this line. So we have this point. You can take any point from this line, but in this case we have only the M point, which is 2 and 1. So where this y, we're gonna put 1, and then where this x, we're gonna put 2, same as here. Then we calculate for c. Then our c, it's minus 3. Then this is our equation for the line CM. Now 1.4, calculate the length of CB. CB is from here to here. This is CB. Calculate the length of CB using what? You're gonna use distance formula, but first you're gonna have to find this point, because to calculate the distance between 2 points, we have to have 2 coordinates. So at this point you don't have the point C coordinate. So point C, we only have 1 point, which is the y-intercept. So x is 0. So from the equation that you have found of the line CM, you're gonna make x 0 and then find y. So in this case, your y will be 3. Hence, the point C is 0 and minus 3. 0 and minus 3. And B is 4.0. So this is the distance formula. This thing, you will find it at the back of your question paper. You don't have to cram these formulas. They are always there. So now CB, the length of CB is 5 units, unless you are giving the SI unit. It's 5 units, the length of CB. The next question, show that ABC is an isosceles. This triangle can only be an isosceles if line AC can be equals to line CB. If two opposite sides are equal, then that triangle is an isosceles. So if you can prove that the length of AC equals to the length of CB, automatically we have the length of CB, which is 5. And if you can prove that the length of AC is 5, then this triangle will be an isosceles triangle. Here it is. AC, when using this formula, distance formula, is equals to 5. And CB already has been calculated. It's 5. Therefore, ABC is an isosceles triangle. Simple as 1, 2, 3. If ACBD is a rhombus, determine the coordinates of D. It's only 2 marks. It's just simple. If ABC is a rhombus, determine the coordinates of D. Coordinates of D will be 4 and 5. So thank you guys for watching. I hope if there are any questions, please leave a comment, and then I'll surely get back to you guys and clarify more on the next coming video. So don't hesitate to ask questions. If you have anything to raise, if maybe I'm too fast or what, you can just drop them the comments. You can just drop whatever on the comment section. So, and please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. And thanks for watching. Toodles.
King of the road, trailer for sailoring.